Welcome to Jodhpur, the Blue City, a sea of indigo houses washing up against the foot of a colossal fortress. Mehrangarh Fort rises from the rock like a titan. Rudyard Kipling called it the work of angels and giants. Inside, its rugged walls hide palaces of exquisite delicacy, where stone is carved as fine as lace. From the ramparts, the Blue City spreads out below, a cooling color in the heat of the Thar Desert. Nearby, the Jaswant Thata glows in white marble, a serene memorial often called the Taj Mahal of Marwar. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. But to truly know Jodhpur, you must get lost in its maze. The winding lanes of Brahmpuri are painted in 1,000 shades of blue. Originally marking the homes of Brahmins, the blue now defines the city's soul, keeping the interiors cool against the desert sun. The pulse of the city beats at the Ghanta Ghar, the old clock tower. The Sardar market here is a sensory overload. The air is thick with the scent of Methania chilies, the fiery red heart of Rajasthani cuisine. You can't visit Jodhpur without trying a mirchi vada, a spicy chili fritter that locals swear by. Hidden in the old city is Turji Ka Jalra, an ancient stepwell where water and architecture meet in perfect symmetry. Jodhpur is also a city of color. The textiles here, tie-dyed in vibrant patterns, flap like flags in the breeze. On the horizon, the Umaid Bhawan Palace stands as one of the world's largest private residences, a symbol of royal luxury. Nature reclaims its space at the Rao Jodha Desert Rock Park, a rugged garden of volcanic rock and native flora. The people here wear their heritage with pride, their colorful turbans a bright contrast to the desert sands. As the sun dips low, the Blue City turns a deep mystical indigo. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.